Hey there YouTube, how you guys doing today? I feel like I will bring you something different. A couple people asked me to do this. Now let the record show I'm not this big tech genius. I don't know all this RAM, that. All of that doesn't matter to me all of the time. I know just a little bit. So I'm gonna give you the perspective of a sneakerhead who also likes tech products. So let's get into it. As you guys can see, I picked up the iPhone 11, the regular, and I always wanted a red iPhone, so I went with the product red. A lot of my friends were surprised because I get the big dog. They were expecting me to get the 11 Pro or the Pro Max, and you know what I thought? Those have 3 cameras as opposed to this only having 2 cameras. But what really matters to me is that you have the wide angle lens and the ultra wide that's on the back of the iPhone 11 this year, whereas last year it only had 1 camera. This year it has 2, and of course the Pro and the Pro Max both have 3 cameras. So they have that zoom, that telephoto zoom lens on the Max models, and I really actually don't use that a lot. So I figured I would go ahead and get the regular iPhone 11 this year, and then next year when the body style and everything is supposed to change, which I hope it finally does, then I'll go ahead and get the big boy then. So let's get into it. With all the iPhones that came in colors, they come in a white box, and whatever color your iPhone, that's what color will be on the top of the box. On the sides, you guys, I see iPhone in red, the iPhone symbol in red, and then iPhone again. And on the back, as you guys can see, I went with the 128 gig. And yes, everybody was talking about that Apple should start the phones off at 128 gig, which of course I go along with that, but you know that Apple is going to charge us for everything that they can. Just to let you guys know, if you hear noises, I am outside because I'm trying to get some regular daylight. So once we get into the phone, as you can see, I have my Supreme charger here that I'm going to use, and I just picked up a regular clear case off of Amazon that I believe I paid like $6 or $7 for. So let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, let's get into the unboxing. We got an easy pull tab right here. Throw that to the side, and let's see. Shake. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, Lord. Product red. As you guys can see, it says product red there. The proceeds from when you buy a product red phone, Apple donates part of the proceeds, to the AIDS Foundation. So I thought that was pretty cute and cool. And this is, Lord, this is beautiful. I'm so happy I went with this. Inside the box, you have the pamphlets. You also get the product red papers. You get white Apple stickers, which of course everyone wants the color stickers. Apple, would you finally do that? You get the charging brick that I will not use. It's only 5 watts. It charges your phone slow as heck. You get the regular AirPods. Regular Apple headphones, not AirPods. You have to come up with your own money for that. This year they put no dongle in there. And then you get the regular USB charging cable. Let's see, on the back of the box, it'll explain better to you guys if you don't know. Like I said, it comes with the iPhone AirPods with lightning connector, a lightning USB cable, and a USB power adapter. So that's all for all the tech kids, and they all know what's in there. And everybody that buys Apple products, you know what's usually in the box. Barely nothing, because Apple is not giving you that much. With the new iPhone 11 Pros, they did come with the fast charger, but I could understand because they are the big boys. But Apple could have threw that in for us. So let's pull this paper off. Wow. Look at that. This phone is freaking awesome. Beautiful. So okay guys, I got my iPhone 10 right here. The iPhone 11 is a bit heavier, and as you guys can see, it is a bit taller. Let me move this box out the way so I can sit them down next to each other. God, this phone is freaking beautiful. I can't even get over it. Can't believe I waited this long to get it. Let's put it in the picture. There you go. I'm gonna stand them up next to each other, and as you can see, iPhone 11 is a bit taller and a bit wider on the side, as you can see. Wow, this thing is beautiful, you guys. I can't even, let me put my iPhone 10 down. You sit right there for a second. On the iPhone 11, I'm going to take a couple pictures, like I said, and I'll show you guys. I'm not that big in tech, but I just want to show you and unbox it for people that wanted me to unbox the phone. And God, I can't even stop this. I'm sorry, this thing is freaking beautiful. I can't believe I waited all this time. The only thing, like, once again, between the iPhone Pro, the iPhone 11 Pro, and the Pro Max, they have better screens than on the iPhone 11. I don't know if I'm really gonna even notice the difference. I can't wait to turn it on and I'll look at that, because on the iPhone 11, the regular model, it has an LCD, and the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Max have better screens. So like I said, as you guys can see on the back of here, there are 2 cameras, and on the back of here you only have 1 camera from them. And like I said, my phone is an iPhone 10, and I'm not getting this to Apple, so I'm still gonna have both my phones. And then we have the iPhone 11 here, and we'll see when I turn it on if I made a good choice. But right now with the color, I am loving it. I am loving it. So this was my quick unboxing, you guys. Not really getting into pictures or anything. Maybe later on down the road with that. Catch you next time. Peace.